Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, y'all? About to start live trading right now. I've been eyeing UJ. I'm looking to get in this red zone right here. And probably take a sell down to here. I'm looking for a lot of buys out of here. Price has been pushing up, creating highs and lows. I'm gonna come back down, retest this little order block right here. Then right in this pocket of the fib, 70.50, somewhere in this area. And then from there, we can look to buy this up. Probably see this around like New York session. But London, man, I'm really liking this 30-minute imbalance right here. I feel like we push up into there and come down to our buy zone. So that's what I'm looking at. We swept these lows here. On the 4 hour, we got this imbalance right here that we're retesting into. I want to see us retrace a little more though before just taking off, especially because we're coming out of this 1 hour order block and we swept. We swept sell side liquidity right here with this candle. After this candle swept this liquidity, we dropped, we broke structure here. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like we pull over here, be straight. Catch a nice little RR down here. And yeah, we still got a little bit. We'll just be caking it. Maybe we'll play some music. That would just be cool right now. Just kick it. Yo, this is my first time doing this shit for real. So come support. You know what I'm saying? I like this little block right here. It's like an order block, but it got broke, so they call it a breaker block. See this block right here? Minute 30, you got that imbalance right here. Man, I'm taking it right off that imbalance. And then I put my stop loss right here above this pattern right here that created the imbalance. These three candles, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully, just push in there will drop. You got this minute 5 imbalance right here too. You know, feel me? I'll let y'all know when I enter. I'm gonna send this out to the X fam right quick. Hey yo, if y'all ain't in Ethereum buys, oh man, I'll call this out for y'all right now. Look, buy Ethereum right now. I'm calling it right now. Buy that shit. I bought it right here at this line. There's another setup right here. Order block right here. You know, I got that order block right here. One main thing here is that we're coming off this minute 30 order block right here. It's got this inverted fair value gap. There's a lot of confluence right here. But you can see that this order block caused all this buying. And then, I mean, we have all this selling down. Right back into this order block. Right after you hit this order block, we start buying right back up. Crazy thing is, I should give you guys some sauce. Look at how we, after pushing off this order block right here, we leave. You can consider this another order block. Once you have this break right here, or this is like a breaker block, this one too. But if you really study, this last push down before this move up will always mitigate around like 50% of this shit right here. So you measure 50 from the body, the top to the close, you know, and then boom, 50%. We retrace right there. And after we retrace and mitigate this order block right here, then we start buying up again. Boom, push up. And then, you know, we drop down lower time frames. Let me take this shit off. Drop down the lower time frames, and you can see this last down push mitigated this 50% of this candle. You know, on the high time frame, mitigated it, pushed up. You know, we have the last push down before the push up is an order block, and now we're retesting. So I'm gonna call this out for you guys. Look, I'm gonna take this for the YouTube fam, Twitter fam, whoever's here. We'll take it right here. Stop loss right there. I'm saying if you ain't in my free signals, check my bio. I'll put y'all in the free signals. Y'all can be up to date. But that's a little 1 to 3.25, you know what I'm saying? So hop in that. You know, let's make some money. There. All right, let me see what's going on with UJ. Oh yeah, here we go. All right, bet. We're getting close. No, this the live shit. We ain't editing nothing. I ain't doing none of that. I was lock in. Come get the sauce with me, you know. I ain't like all these other fools. Y'all can learn with me. Hold on, guys. Back. Let's get it. Oh, y'all can hear the dog sleeping in the background. You know we making money. Alright, check this out. Yo, how? Let me add some music for y'all for real. Let me figure this out. If y'all join the stream, man, I would make easy money. Know what I'm saying? Buy Ethereum right now. Buy Ethereum. Come on now, man. Don't play with me. Let's get this money. Hop in with me. Hold on, I'm gonna take another position here on Ethereum. Give me a sec. Cause that's a low risk. That's a low risk trade right there. Damn. Are we in? What? Put stops above there. Got like 15 pips. TP1 here. So you got stop loss. We haven't entered yet, so just give it a sec. Put stop loss right here. Let's sell. Stops right there. TP1 is right here. Full TP is 1 to 3. You know, you got this little order block right here. My area of interest for long-term buys is right here. So yeah, let's take that. Let's see what we got. So 1 to 3. Let's get it. 15 pips. For 47, man, come on now, don't play with me. Put some music on. Hmm. No, we'll just leave it. It's cool. We're getting close here. Hold on. Give me a cell here. I gotta, yeah, yeah. Come on now. Make sure y'all calculate your risk, you know. Don't be risking too much, you know. Even though they're bangers, still gotta be smart. I'm gonna just get my trade ready right now. It is about to hit. I'll let y'all know I got my risk settled down. Come on now. Let's get this push up in here. Right off that Fed minute. All right, here we go. I mean, isn't that just like beautiful, you know? I mean, we could even come for 50% right here. The 5 minute imbalance. But I'm not tripping. I just want to get in because it may not come up to there. But it could. Let's see, I got another trade for y'all too. For later in the week for y'all, you know? So, right here, let's break this down. Hold on. Overall, we bullish. You know, looks like we got a lot of bullish momentum here. 4 hour, we got this order block here. We bought off it once here, pushed it up. Now I think we'll come back because I'll show you one of it. You hop on the lower time frame. Look at these equal highs right here. Look at price pushing up. This is what's crazy about this right here. This is an Asian low, so this makes this like buy side liquidity, you know, in the middle of 30 minutes. This is an Asian low from yesterday. So I marked this up, I mean, we took sales, or I took sales, I dropped it in the Twitter. I had a sell up in here. And, I'm still in sales, but I took most of my profit right around this area. When we were down here in this order block, taking some profit out of there, you know. But I feel like there's a lot of liquidity here. So before we can really push up and break these highs up here, I want to see us come break this, sweep the buy side liquidity, retest into this 30-minute order block, and it's got a 1 hour inversion fair value gap here, right there. So that's marked up with the red box. And then of course, the order block, the 4 hour order block move with the yellow box. But you know, so let's get down there, sweep some of this buy side, and then take off. This is where the real movement started to come in. So I'd like to see it get to there. If we don't, maybe we retest here and then move up. Just stay tuned. I'll keep y'all updated, see what happens. But yeah, y'all missed some sales. We came under this order block earlier, and I seen we slept sell side liquidity. Right here, we pushed down, broke through this fair value gap right here on the hour. Retested. You can see this little hour candle come back, retest it. You have this other push off. I'm like, oh, this shit is valid. So we hopped in a sell right here. Stops are like right here. And then, take profit all the way down there. But once you come into, I think I called take profit right here. Yeah. So we still didn't hit yet. But I took most profit right here when we came into this. So I think we'll keep going down. We'll see what happens. Or from here, we could buy up. We'll just see how price reacts. But that's another one. If Euro can make it down here, Euro USD can make it down here, definitely buy that shit up, and you can hold. You know what I'm saying? We probably get TP1, TP2 1.1700, something like that. Anyways, some free money for y'all. Man, we tapped that. Look at how we tapped that, man. That's crazy. I'm not in yet. Just give it a sec. Let it cook. Let it cook. It's gonna come back up a little more. Let it cook. Oh shit, man. We have to cut this shit short. That's cool. Y'all see what's going on? Ethereum. Still get to enter. Enter. Look at this 5-minute order block. Minute 15. We could even come mitigate 50% of this. I don't know. I like that minute 15 though. Just hold it. We'll go. Accept the risk. Take the risk. Let's go. Oh, we in there. Yo, y'all sell USD JPY right now. I'm hopping in. All right, we in there. We is in there. Oh, y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yeah, cool. Let's see. I got stop loss 144.826. TP1 at this 50%. 144.385. And then TP2, which I think we can easily hit, especially if we're gonna come get my area, you know. TP2 144.198. And say 20. 20. Whatever you guys want, you know. Just make sure you get in, make yourself some money, you know, take some partials here. When we get here, you know, pull out some of your position, make some money, move stops to break even. Like, make sure you move stops to break even when we get to here. And, you know, hold that shit for TP2. And then make sure you buy that shit off of this right here. Buy off of here, please. Off here. Ooh, look at that. We really going for the 50. We're gonna hit the 50. All right, guys. I just wanted to get you guys a few trades. Mañana we'll hop back on, make some more money together. Make sure you play your stops, take B's, go to sleep, wake up to some green, some bread, you know. All right, guys. We are out of here. Look at that, though. Hold on, let's see this real quick. 50%. That's crazy. Perfectly. Let's move this down. That's crazy. Y'all see that? Do we melt? Do we melt from there? You know, it's crazy. Look at this. You just say, like, order block, mitigation of order block here. You know, but I don't see it's going to that 50. Maybe. And there's not there. Nah. You see what's going on. What time is it? Yeah, it's almost London too. Just hold on to this thing. We'll go. I mean, we can stay on the live so y'all can see a little bit of this trade, you know. For y'all that ain't on here, you can see that we trade for real. Mm-hmm. There it is. Here comes the reversal. Just like that, guys. Alright, let's see if we can. Maybe I'll find y'all some notes as well. This is crazy. It's ready to go. Buy side, once I sweeps bolt, I'm gone, especially out of an area of interest. There's an order block. So I was pushed down before all this up. And that broke this structure. Retest. Look at our double top here. That's liquidity right there. I'm gonna take a buy here. Risk 20 pips. We're a 1 to 2. Hop in for a buy right now. One 6 6 9 7 6. Okay, we in. We in, man. Three trades called for y'all live right now. Hope y'all in. I hope you all are in. Overall, look at this, man. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 days of buying. The fuck makes you think that This isn't gonna be the ninth. Like this is gonna be the ninth day of buying. Come on now. Give us a little wick here. Shoot up. Oh man. Let's target freaking here. 169. Check this out. That's this low imbalance here. You got this order block right here, breaker block. You know what I'm saying? 169's probably 50% of that. We'll come out of here. Sweeping on the higher time frame, you're sweeping sell side liquidity there. Yeah. And then you also do have this 4-hour order block here that we're coming out of. So, I mean, we'll let the markets do the talking now. You know, TP1 here, TP2 here, TP1, TP2, TP1, TP2. 1, 2. I went up there. Easy. Easy, easy, easy. UJ. U and J. Now we're just chilling right now. Euro. Cool. Man, that's clean. So clean. Let's just see. That's crazy. The 50% lines up with this, like hella order blocks. You could say the 70.5. Man. I don't know. We'll see. That could be an L. But I'll tell you what's ripping. And I bet you Ethereum's ripping too. Oh, not yet. This is what I love to see. Look at this quick move up and how slowly it's coming back. So you have impulse, correction. We'll have impulse again. So yeah. UJ. Oops. UJ. I was hoping we'd dump from there. Price action don't look too well now. Probably go hit stops. That's fine. That's 1L. Y'all in Euro JPY? Cause I am. Alright then guys. Follow the Twitter so you can get all these live updates, man. Look at this. This thing's just gonna fly. Like where is it? Y'all see? Y'all see this? This straight 2 hours of buying. Well, we're gonna make it 3. We'll say from here. There's an hour. So you can say another 3 hours. Boom. I mean, by that time, no. Just hold you, Jay. I'm expecting SL, but you know, we will see. It could go SL. I really need to stop moving this thing. Alright, guys, that's it for tonight. We're calling it. Your JPY and UG look exactly the same, man. I'm gonna close out UJ here. I'll say 11 pip stops. That's cool. That's cool. My 1% is here. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm closing. Close UJ. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. No thing. She just ain't ready to go yet. But UJ, telling y'all, high probability. This yellow zone right here. Bye. And you can buy this up to here. For this high right here. Alright, guys. It's looking nice. We're going to invert this. All of it here. We already inverted this. Right there. You move stops to break even. Now that we inverted this with this candle. Risk-free trade. TP1. TP2. It's ripping. So even if you lost 11 pips on UJ, I mean, you're up 15, 16 right now. Free. Break even. To get that, you up a bag. And hit Ethereum too. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Look at this invert. This gap here. Oh, it's ready to rip. Here we go. Especially after this. Yep, we're gone. We are out of here. You take more buys right there if you want. Stops below here. TP's up here. 1 to 8. You want to trade? Let's trade. 1 to 8. Buy. Look at that. Stops right here. 1 to 8. Let's buy. Buy Ethereum. Let me copy this. I gotta send this to the Twitter, man. Give me a sec, guys. Cool. Buy. That's a 1 to 7.8. Okay, guys. That's it. 1 to 8. 0 TPY. I'll give it one check. Oh my goodness. Engulfed. Wow. We really do this. We really do this. Wow. Right in front of y'all face. Alright then. We'll call it there. Check the Twitter for updates, man. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this money. Money. Alright, anyways. Here we go. Bye bye. TP here. TP1. TP2. All right then. Peace and love, y'all.